go. Looking good, Tara.
Recently, I provided an update on Saber Astronautics announcing the first set of projects selected for development at the International Space Station, including a beer you can drink in space. The Vostok Space Beer has been a joint venture between Saber Astronautics and the Four Pines Brewery to create a zero-G beer. The recent announcement from Saber Astronautics means the beer is slated to fly to the International Space Station in 2024. Starting originally in 2010, the idea for drinking beer while in space was from the minds of Dr. Jason Held and Jaron Mitchell, essentially the owners of a space company and a brewery that were joining forces. Since this time, the idea and theories have been tested on 2 zero-G parabolic flights, leading to the final design which uses wicking. Water wicking is commonly used in garden beds, allowing plants to only use the water that they need. Water wicking uses capillary action, where the water will rise up from where it is stored at the bottom of the garden bed to the base of the flowers or vegetables.
Yeah, it's all right. I think it's catching.
That one's spilling, but this one's perfect.
The water wicking design of the Vostok Space Beer breaks the surface tension of the liquid, using the same capillary action used in garden beds, allowing the astronaut living and working in zero-G to drink it normally.
Cheers!
There you go. Looking good, Tara.
Well, at least that's what it is in theory. We'll have to wait until 2024 to see the results of this very cool product. I mean, you know I want one. Definitely. I would like a case, a couple of cases. I'd like to try it. I'd like to show people. That'd be fantastic.